This is the MI Band 3. It is a really good band for its retail price, but with its predecessor in the market and very little difference in the price, is MI Band 3 worth your money in 2020? Let's find out. We are going to be testing this band on the basis of design, price, responsiveness, functions, and functionality. The difference between functions and functionality is that functions are described by the company. Functionality is what the device is actually capable of doing. The MI Band 3 has a considerably large OLED display, which shows us much more information than before. It also has a sleek design, better than its previous model, even with a dimple at the bottom. The one I have here has a custom metal band which costs around 30 Saudi Riyal, but the stock band is not that bad, so in terms of design, it certainly gets a point. This band costs around 140 Saudi Riyal. It's neither too cheap nor too expensive. In terms of responsiveness, it's not the best. The screen at rare occasions stops responding for a few seconds and other times goes to a different function on its own. While the dimple at the bottom is supposed to work like touchscreen, it sometimes doesn't. So it certainly gets no points in terms of responsiveness. In terms of functions and functionality, this band is capable of performing all the functions mentioned in the company site, so you can trust the information provided over there. So I give the MI Band 3 a rating of 4/5. It's safe to say that this band is still worth buying in 2019. If you liked this video or this video helped you in any sort, please do click on that like button and also please do hit that subscribe button, as that really helps and this allows me to deliver you more content just like this. My name's Jad and I'll see you guys in the next video.